In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Todoist. Whether you're a seasoned productivity enthusiast or new to the game of organization and task management, learning to navigate and use Todoist effectively can be a game changer in managing your daily tasks and projects smoothly. Let's dive into the simple yet detailed process of accessing your Todoist account. Starting off, the very first step to unlocking the potential of Todoist is, of course, accessing the login page. Now, this might seem straightforward, but it's crucial because this is where your journey with Todoist begins. To do this, you need to navigate to the Todoist login page. You can easily find this page by searching for Todoist login in your preferred web browser, or by directly typing https://app.todoist.com/auth/login into your browser's address bar. This link will take you straight to the doorstep of Todoist, awaiting your entry. Once you arrive at the login page, you'll be greeted with a simple, uncluttered interface designed to get you into your Todoist workspace as quickly as possible. The next step is to enter your email address into the designated field. This is the email address you used when you signed up for Todoist. It's your unique identifier that tells Todoist which user account to grant access to. Make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid any login issues. Moving forward, after entering your email, the next step is key to ensuring that your tasks and projects remain private and secure. That's right, you'll need to enter your password. Entering your password is like turning the key to unlock your digital productivity space. Type your password carefully into the password field. Passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to enter uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. And a tip for you, if you find yourself struggling to remember your password, using a password manager can be a lifesaver for not only Todoist, but all your online accounts. With your email and password entered, the only thing standing between you and your tasks is the login button. Upon clicking this button, you essentially tell Todoist, "It's me, let me in." Click this button with a sense of accomplishment because you're about to conquer your day with one of the most powerful task management tools at your fingertips. But wait, before you venture into the world of tasks and productivity, I want to share a couple of tips that could enhance your Todoist experience. First, if you ever find yourself unable to remember your password, don't let panic set in. Todoist provides an easy-to-use password recovery feature right on the login page. Simply look for the Forgot Password link, click it, and follow the instructions to reset your password. It's a straightforward process that gets you back on track quickly. Secondly, for those of you who are all about efficiency, consider bookmarking the Todoist login page in your web browser. This small step can save you time and effort, making it even quicker to access your Todoist account whenever inspiration strikes, or when a task pops into your mind that you just can't afford to forget. And finally, for an even smoother experience, if you find yourself using Todoist regularly, you might want to consider staying logged in on your device. Todoist offers a secure option to keep you logged in, eliminating the need to enter your login credentials each time you want to access your tasks. However, remember to use this feature wisely, especially on shared or public computers, to keep your task list private. There you have it, a simple guide to opening Todoist and stepping into a well-organized world where your tasks and projects are neatly arranged, waiting for your action. From getting to the login page, entering your credentials, to clicking that login button, each step brings you closer to achieving productivity bliss. And with the additional tips on password recovery, bookmarking, and staying logged in, your experience with Todoist can be as seamless and efficient as possible. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to open Todoist. Here's to becoming more productive, organized, and perhaps finding a bit more clarity in the midst of our busy lives. Dive into Todoist and discover how beautifully simple yet profoundly impactful staying on top of your tasks and projects can be. And remember, it all starts with that first step, logging in. See you next time.